You already changed lives every day. Now, it's time to elevate your impact. National Board Certification is the profession's highest mark of accomplished practice.
I've always been motivated by a challenge, and National Board provided that.
If I know there's an accolade out there, I want to go out and get it.
In general, I always try to think, how can I be better?
You'll be supported through every step. Mentorship from a candidate support provider, Saturday workshops, financial incentives, and more.
We formed a small cohort here at Salem Elementary, and we really motivated each other. We went to Saturday workshops. It really helped. Those Saturday workshops was a game changer.
They give you information, they remind you of upcoming dates, they provide you with mentors to answer questions. You can also talk to people who are doing the same certification as you.
Certification helps you see your students more clearly, who they are, what they need, and how they learn.
How am I making it so that kids don't spend an entire class period just sitting in one seat or just doing one thing?
One of the ways that it really impacted my classroom in particular is the knowledge of students. I'm being more purposeful at the beginning of the school year to really dive into who my students are.
This is your moment to reflect, grow, and make your impact even greater.
Absolutely go for it.
Don't wait. The journey, both professionally and personally, is worth it.
Know that our students need the best version of who we are as a teacher, and we can always grow.
You are an exceptional teacher. You are able and capable of doing all of this to get nationally board certified.
Start your journey toward National Board Certification with Virginia Beach City Public Schools.